This vlog was made possible by a sponsorship from Avexis, a clinical stage gene therapy company relentlessly focused on bringing gene therapy out of the lab and into the clinical setting for patients and families devastated by rare and life-threatening neurological genetic diseases. To understand how gene therapy is changing the way we see genetic diseases, check out exploregenetherapy.com. www.exploregenetherapy.com. Explore Gene Therapy is a resource for learning more about gene therapy, including its history and how it is being studied. Visit www.exploregenetherapy.com.
Welcome to Dose of DeAnn, where you'll get a little shot of what my life is like living with SMA. When you have a disability, there's just a lot you have to think about throughout your day that I don't think most people take into consideration. For example, I need to plan what I'm wearing for the day. It's really difficult for me to change clothes, so what I'm wearing for the day is what I'm wearing for the day. And then there's also your PCA or caregiver schedules that you have to think about. I am a planner, so I have everything scheduled out. But a lot of times there's a monkey wrench thrown into this situation. For me, I'm right now looking for a new daytime PCA, so I have a lot of my other PCAs filling in at the moment. And then I heard this. Alexa, what's the weather today?
In Alexandria, there's a winter storm warning in effect Wednesday, December 26th, 6 p.m. to Friday, December 28th, 12 p.m. The current weather is 18 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today's forecast has snow flurries, with a high of 28 degrees and a low of 18 degrees.
So, we're in a winter storm warning, and actually where I live, we're expecting over a foot of snow. Because of this, my plans to go home to my mom's for the weekend have been moved up. I don't really want to be stranded at my house, and I don't want to make people have to travel through the snow if they don't have to. I know some of you don't have a choice, and you have to have caregivers come and help you. So if that's the case, I highly suggest having a plan A and a plan B, and maybe even a plan C. But my plan is to beat the storm and go to my mom's early. That way my PCAs don't have to travel in bad weather, and my mom doesn't have to worry about picking me up on Friday when the weather turns. So I'm gonna keep you posted on the storm. This video won't post until a week or two after, so I'm gonna just kind of keep an eye on the weather and let you know how it goes. See you in a bit. Well, I think Roy is probably the most excited about the snowstorm. This is my mom's dog, Sassy. She's not quite as crazy about the winter weather. They're ready to go in the house. Made it to Mom's house. It's just started snowing, but the roads were still good. This is supposed to be a 3-day snow event, so we'll see what it looks like in the morning. We woke up and it's still snowing out, and it's probably a wise decision that I came home early. So we're gonna go measure the snow. I'm guessing about 6 to 8 inches.
It's at 5.
Okay. Roy isn't exactly sure what to do with all this snow. He's not as excited as he was yesterday, anyway. It didn't take him long to figure out what to do. This is his version of making snow angels. And I'm staying in where it's nice and warm. Today is day 3 of the snowstorm. It's all wrapped up now, and so we're gonna go check the final snow total. It looks like we got just about a foot of snow. And since I'm not much of a winter person, I'm going back in the house.
Listen to the crunch of your wheels.
What kid doesn't love playing in the snow, right? But I hated getting bundled up, and it was always so cold outside. So what my mom would do was bring in a pan of snow and let me play with the ice cream scoop and cookie cutters so I could build my own snowman. So that's an idea out there for all of you. Well, I didn't make it back home. We actually had another snowstorm about a day later that dropped another 6 inches of snow. So that made about 18 inches total. I was glad that I was at my mom's house. That way I didn't have to worry about PCAs being able to make it into town. And again, if you do have to rely on PCAs, just make sure and have a backup plan. Maybe the ones that live closer in town can be on call in case you have any cancellations. I hope you enjoyed my video, and we'll talk to you again soon. I'm going to leave you with some sights and sounds of winter. Have a good day, everyone. Bye for now. This is Beeb, my cat Tic Tac's arch nemesis. I brought her home for the snowstorm, and luckily no fur flew even though there were several standoffs. Always avoid the yellow snow.